Welcome back everyone to the Real South Dakota Men YouTube channel. Today we're turning a duck call, or goose call I guess, on the lathe. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we have engineer Nick gracing us with his presence today. This is our lathe setup. For those of you who don't know, a lathe is you put a piece of wood on it and it spins it really fast and then you turn it down with chisels and stuff, like these chisels right here. These are wood turning chisels. So you stick your wood in here, there's two little needles that stab into the end of it. So the first thing you have to do is you want to get your wood blank that you're going to use. That's what it's called, the piece of like raw wood. And you're going to turn that on the lathe and you want to turn that down. Let me show you what we're making. Yeah, this end, the end without the reed. So you can do this for an existing goose call, or there's lots of kits you can order online that come with the reed and the insert and everything. So basically you want to put that in the lathe. You want to tighten your lathe down.
Crank her down.
Yeah, you want to crank her. Lock it into place. Perfect. So now that is locked firmly into the lathe, you want to bring up your guide so that it's almost touching, but it will miss. So nothing will hit it, but you just want to be able to have your tool as close as possible to prevent shatter. So we'll lock our guide down. I'm kind of glossing over this because I assume if you're actually going to make this project that you have a lathe. So I assume you kind of know what you're doing a little bit. So anyways guys, we're going to get to turning this down. So we're going to turn down the shape of it first. We're going to set you on the tripod so you can watch, do a time lapse, or maybe it's like a musical edit or something, I'm not sure. But we will get to turning this down. This is just a piece of firewood. You can use whatever. I've seen a lot of, what I really like are those, they're called worthless wood. It's like broken up wood that they put epoxy into, so it's a 50-50 mix or whatever. But anyways guys, let's get to turning this duck call. And as always, for a project like this, dust masks and safety glasses are a must. I know we're not always the best about it, but safety is kind of important. So dust masks, safety glasses, just be safe guys. Alright, let's get to turning. Oh, that's kind of hard smack. Yeah. That was a little hard. Yeah. Alright boys, we're back in business. Let's resume. So anyways guys, now it is time to start kind of defining the shape of the end of your call that you want. Figure out what kind of design you want. We're gonna look up some designs and we'll come back to you right now. So we have found kind of the design we want to go for. Right there. So we're going to work on turning this down. One thing I will say, if you're working with wood, make sure that you have a suitable like wood polish slash like polyurethane, something to waterproof it, because your breath is gonna want to kind of like moisten that up. You can also buy like polycarbonate blanks online if you want to do that, but we're working with wood. We will get back to the duck call. Ooh, that's freaking cool. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make a duck call. So I cut down this rough blank out of a piece of firewood. I think it looked pretty cool, but we don't have that much time, so enough talking. I'm gonna get on the lathe. Okay. Alright guys, so what I think I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take some charcoal and super glue, fill in a lot of these gaps, and I'm gonna go back and re-sand it.
Likes to focus on your wiener shop, not the actual wood. Damn fucking bugs, that's some serious RPM shop. Perfect timing.
Alright guys, so we're gonna leave these right now, come back, drill a hole in them, get this video edited. Alright boys, it is a new day. We left off yesterday. I had just sanded mine up pretty nice. So it's looking Caroline mighty fine. Nikki has his in his hands. Basically, the only thing left today is to put a finish on them. So what I was saying is all we basically have left to do is to take this drill bit, which is a 7/8, which we found actually fits the goose call pretty much exact. So you take, basically all that's left to do is put a finish on, and drill the holes. So let's get to that. Alright.
Stinky.
Alright guys, we have both the fingers off the lathe. Both are done. So yeah guys, now we just need to drill the holes in the end, and to do that we will be using the 7/8 spade bit for a little bit of the ways, and then we will use like a 3/4 inch for the rest of the ways.
Like half maybe.
Yeah, half, something like that. Alright, so let's get over to the drill press, right?
Okay man,
Are you ready, kids?
oh my god. I'm gonna go Tidgemore actually. Time.
Nice.
Oh,
What?
makes a cool noise. Max penetration.
Max bog. We are peak safety.
Oh, stop. Go up, down tab. Clamp. There you go. Okay. Whoa.
So the card filled up. I don't remember what point is that. Basically, you drill that bigger hole, you switch to a different size drill bit, you drill a smaller hole. So anyways, we're screwing her in, giving the duck call, the goose call, I guess, the first legit test.
Oh, it makes noises, shot.
Wow. O-rings are clapped.
Yeah, it's because of the wood. You need to like polish her up.
So we will get that fixed. All right, we'll show you once we're done.
Finish yours out.
All right, guys. The goose call is all done. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Real South Dakota Men. I think we'll be switching our upload schedule to every 2 weeks just because it allows for us to do like bigger projects if we have to order anything or if we have to do anything with like drying times. That actually allows us some time. So anyways guys, thank you very much for watching this episode of Real South Dakota Men. If you liked it, remember to like it, subscribe if you feel like it, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay tuned. And in case you guys were wondering what happened to mine, which I know none of you probably were, it broke when I was trying to put the insert in, so. Right there. She broke. So. Shit. Ooh.